Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. This angel trumpet is she's blowing. She's doing really well this morning. If you can't see it, yeah, it's raining. But I came out in my garden just to get some stuff, just to make a tea this morning. Yeah. All of the vegetables are looking really well. They enjoying all this rain that's going on. More okra flowers and okra. So they're doing really good out here. But this baby, they're doing really good in there. I'm gonna take um, two out and put them in a container that I have ready. But yeah, only one gonna remain. But they're doing good. Many times at this time of year, so today is September 3rd, 2022, and the first day of fall is September 22nd. That's the first day of fall. So many people really can see how time has gotten away from us, right? And they look at vegetables and plants and things that they wish they would have grown, but now time has run out, baby. Time's up. Now, you can grow some plants definitely at this time and they still grow. But this just should. This is a great time to reflect back and think about vegetables that you wish you would have grown, um, but you didn't grow it, or you grew a lot of vegetables that you didn't like. And time, just time, baby, time has gotten away from you, right? So I say, don't sweat it. It happens sometimes, right? It happens sometimes. So make your list. Make your list of what you want to grow. And some people say, well, I just don't know. Listen, there is even here as an adult, there are many adults out here, right? In their 40s, well in their 40s, and they still don't know what they want to be when they grow up. It's real. There was this one man, he was asking this little girl what she want to be when she grow up. And her mom was just looking at him like, why is this grown man, not a relative, asking my daughter what she want to be when she grow up? So she asked them, she said, why are you asking my daughter what she want to be when she grow up? He says, I'm trying to get some ideas. So family, the whole thing, what I'm saying to you is make up your mind. Make up your mind because time will not wait for you. No, time will just keep on rolling. It's going to keep on rolling. And really, fall starts 9/22. Okay? You either have it together or you don't. Mm. Well, this is one of my neighbor's yard right over there with the trees in it. That's a brown turkey fig tree. That's an orange tree covered with bitter melon plant, right? We have shared our vegetables with each other many times, but today, this is what she shared with me. 2 bitter melons. I've never eaten it, and she shared with me how to prepare it. So, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna stir fry these bitter melons, and I'll let you know how it go, y'all. All right? All right. So if you remember, I harvest some moringa and I put it in a box so it could dry. So there they are, they dry. Now I'm gonna pull all these stems out, and all of these stems is gonna go in my super juice. And I see. Then I'm gonna have, I'm gonna have my ninja. There she is right there. And I'm going to powder all of these leaves up. This is moringa, and I'm gonna make powder and put them into tea bags. Yeah. So there they are. All of my moringa, they're in tea bags. I have more, and I'm going to make my drink when I want it. All right. All right, guys. So say hello.
Hi.
So Jody gonna taste this baby bell pepper, and I told her this pepper is hot. But okay, Jody.
Well, you mind if I smell it first?
Smell it. Crack it.
Okay.
Smell it.
Because you said a bell pepper could be hot, and I never heard of that.
Okay, go for it.
All right, I'm gonna just. Ooh,
It's
that
hot.
thing juicy.
It's juicy.
Oh!
It was hot to me. Now maybe it's just me.
It's a bell.
It's a bell pepper.
It's a bell.
Okay, see if she
Ooh,
hot
look
to
at the
you.
seeds
I
and
know.
that girl.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let me taste it now.
Okay.
Because one thing about it, bell pepper is have to be my absolute favorite.
Okay.
I eat bell peppers raw.
Yeah.
I just do. So here we go. This is to bell peppers in my mama's backyard.
All right.
Ew.
Ew.
It's giving a little spice.
It's giving spice.
That thing hit me right up in here. Right in between the neck and the ear. Right in between it.
I know.
It's good though. It really is.
Yeah. Yeah. So now we really came here for her to taste a fresh okra off the plant. So I'm gonna get this okra. What?
So look, boom! I done tried the bell pepper. It was really good. It had a little spice to it. Now I'm about to try okra. I really don't like okra. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't like okra because that thing's slimy. That thing gives off slime, and I don't do the slime. I don't do slime. But I'm gonna try it anyway. All right. So here we go. It's Jody, T-Nog daughter, trying okra.
Straight off the plant.
Straight. Hey, that thing still got sap coming out that thing. You understand me?
Come on,
all right.
Jody. No, bite it good. You
I
just
did.
took the tip. You just took the tip.
Mama, it's slimy.
Okay, Jody, just a little bit.
Okay. It's slimy.
Okay.
Mama, you told me it wasn't slimy.
It's not. Okay.
They ain't the one, y'all.
So you don't like it?
No.
Okay.
And no.
Okay.
Where the tissue at? I'm gonna see y'all there. I love y'all. Yeah. I gotta go. I gotta find some tissue. Bye, y'all.